You work hard, you get paid, but by the end of the month, your bank account is back to zero. Why? Being broke isn't always about how much you earn. It's about how you manage what you have. Today on The Confidence Code, we're exposing the 5 reasons you're still broke and the exact steps to ensure your financial freedom as we head into 2026. Reason number 1, lifestyle creep. As soon as you get a raise or a bonus, you increase your spending. You trade your future freedom for a nicer car or a bigger apartment. To dominate 2026, you must live like you're still on your old salary and invest the difference. Don't let your lifestyle outpace your growth. Reason 2, the subscription trap. That $10 app or $15 streaming service doesn't feel like much, but for many Americans, these add up to hundreds of dollars every month. Solution: audit your bank statement right now. If you haven't used it in 30 days, cancel it. Redirect that money into your 2026 savings goal. Reason 3, you're paying for your past. Carrying a balance on a credit card with 25% interest is a financial emergency. You aren't just paying for what you bought, you're paying the bank to stay broke. Solution: use the debt snowball method to kill your smallest debts first. Start 2026 with a clean slate. Reason 4, you have no safety net. When life happens, and it will, you rely on credit cards to survive. This keeps you in a never-ending loop of debt and anxiety. Solution: make it your mission to build a starter emergency fund of $1,000 before 2026 begins. It's your first step toward real confidence. Reason 5, you're winging it. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will simply disappear. Without a budget, you're flying blind into the new year. Solution: start the 50-30-20 rule today. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. This is the code to financial success. Being broke is a temporary situation, but staying broke is a choice. Which of these 5 habits are you breaking for 2026? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to take control, hit that like button and subscribe to The Confidence Code. Let's build your future together.